Well, today I'm changing the spark plugs in my 2004 Jeep Liberty, and it's a 3.7 engine, and these are the kind with the coils on top. And the first thing you got to do is push this down, and they pop off like that. Take this off, and this thing off. Oops. And get a 10mm wrench and then take that off. So I get down in there, get that off there. I gotta tell you, I'm really worried about getting these in, because one thing you don't want is the spark plug to be stuck down in there or broke off. I don't know how long these spark plugs have been in there. So we got that off. Got that off. So I really had to pull on it to get that off. So I got these spark plugs. These are the ones. These are actually factory, they told me, and it's at 36. That's right where it should be. I gap it first. Then I know that fits that. So I'm going to shove it in here and get down in there. Well, I'm happy. That's coming out pretty easy. Ooh, that's pretty bad compared to this. Look at the difference there. So I don't know about other people, but I just like to put a little grease around here. Keep it from jamming in there. So sometimes I got these little things, you got to get a little creative to get it down there in the hole, and then get the one without the sponge on it so you can get it off easy without it getting stuck down there. That's it. Not going to go crazy. Just going to snug it down tight. That's good. Everything comes out. This thing goes back in. Like that. This goes back in. We put this on, back on, and we snug it up. Not too tight, just snug it up. That's it. That's it, first spark plug. So second one was same thing. No use filming that because it's all the same stuff. If anything gets hard as I go, I'll let you know. And we're into number 3. No problems. Now for the one way in the back, I got it. That came off pretty easy. So I got it. So far, and this is the last one going back in, I did not have to take anything off to get this stuff working. It's the last one going in. Very simple. They must have got an old school mechanic to design this. I don't know, but it was very simple. Okay, give it the test. It started. That's a good sign. Take it for a ride. We're good.